Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wa bihi nasta'inu ala umuri dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Kepada Bapak dosen yang saya hormati dan juga teman-teman semuanya saya banggakan, pada kesempatan kali ini saya Nailatul Sadiatul Barokah beserta rekan saya Nidia Nur Afiani akan menjelaskan tema yang berjudul Giving Tech. Oleh karena itu bisa disimak video selanjutnya. Zakat is the five pillar of Islam. Its aim is to meet the social needs of the Muslim society and to improve the economic position in Islam. The word zakat means purification, blessing, and increasing. It is a kind of protection of the will of those who are rich. When a Muslim pays his zakat, he is protecting his money from unexpected disaster. For the Prophet said, protect your property by giving zakat and help your relatives to recover from their illness by giving capital. Zakat is an obligatory payment like a tax, and the English translation is further. It be called a divine tax, for it has been prescribed by God in the Holy Quran and the Saints' prophets. The Holy Quran says in many places, keep a regular prayer and give zakat. And one of the sayings of the Prophet when Muaz returned to Yemen was, you will come to folk who are people of the book, so invite them to testify that there is no God but God and that Muhammad is God's messenger. If they obey, tell them that God has made it obligatory for them to pray 5 times every 24 hours. They obey, tell them that God made it obligatory for them for sedekah to be taken from the rich and handed over to the poor. If they obey, do not take the best part of their property and have regard to the claim of him who wronged. For there is no fail between it and good. There are many kinds of zakat. Zakat al-fitri, which is an obligatory payment by a Muslim, slave or freeman, male and female, young and old, and it should be made before the expiry. It is usually given from the food of the majority rich without bread. Because of this could be given instead, and it is preferable in a country like Indonesia for it to be done by giving money. Nowadays, people have to pay 1,500 rupiah for each member of the family, including the servant if there is a servant, and one parent, if one is responsible for them. Ibn Abbas said that God Messenger prescribed the zakat relating to the breaking of the fast as a purification for empty and obscene words and as put the poor.
Other kinds of zakat are zakat mal. Jenis zakat lainnya adalah zakat mal. Meaning money zakat, either gold or silver. Artinya zakat uang, baik emas atau perak. Zakat al-tijara, meaning trade zakat. Zakat al-tijara artinya zakat perdagangan. Zakat al-an'am, meaning cattle zakat, involving camels, cows, or sheep. Zakat al-an'am artinya zakat ternak. melibatkan unta, sapi, atau domba. Zakat az-zuru' wa tomat, meaning cereals and fruits. Zakat az-zuru' wa tomat artinya sereal dan buah-buahan. These last two are of one kind. Dua yang terakhir ini satu jenis. For zakat to be compulsory, there must be two conditions. Firstly, that it must reach the nisab, and secondly, that it must have been owned by the prior for the complete year. Agar zakat menjadi wajib, harus ada dua syarat. Pertama, harus mencapai nisab, dan kedua harus dimiliki oleh diri sendiri untuk melengkapi setiap tahunnya. Islam has prescribed zakat for all kinds of property for the benefit of needy people. Islam telah menetapkan zakat untuk semua anak akan harta untuk kepentingan orang yang membutuhkan. It is not always paid in money, but in some cases in cattle, cereals, and fruits, as in Africa and similar countries. Tidak perlu dibayar dengan uang, tapi dalam beberapa kasus ada sapi, sereal, dan buah-buahan, seperti di Afrika dan negara-negara yang serupa. But in more developed countries, trade and business are the most common ways of paying zakat, and money is used for this purpose. Tetapi di negara yang lebih maju, perdagangan dan bisnis adalah cara pembayaran zakat yang paling umum, dan uang digunakan untuk tujuan ini. The aim of collecting zakat is to serve members of society and to meet their needs and help them to overcome the difficulties they are facing. Tujuan penghimpunan zakat adalah untuk melayani anggota masyarakat dan untuk memenuhi kebutuhan mereka serta membantu mereka untuk mengatasi kesulitan yang mereka hadapi. Some people are in difficulty because they haven't the ability to work. Beberapa orang berada dalam kesulitan karena mereka tidak memiliki kemampuan untuk bekerja. Some because they meet with disaster of some kind, and some because they are old and need help. Beberapa karena mereka mengalami musibah, dan beberapa dari mereka karena sudah tua dan membutuhkan pertolongan. Zakat in Islam is the source of security from any hardship for all members of society. Those who have the right to receive money from zakat are mentioned in the Holy Quran. Zakat dalam Islam adalah sumber keamanan dari segala kesulitan bagi seluruh anggota masyarakat. Mereka yang berhak menerima uang dari zakat disebutkan dalam Al-Quran. In case there is nobody who is in need of zakat, it will be collected, and the head of the community will split it for the benefit of the world. Dalam hal tidak ada orang yang membutuhkan zakat, maka akan dikumpulkan dan dihabiskan oleh ketua masyarakat untuk kepentingan semua. Using it for example, for the building of schools, hospitals, mosques, or other similar things. Digunakan misalnya untuk pembangunan sekolah, rumah sakit, masjid, atau sejenisnya. Thank you for your attention. Apologies for any mistakes. The end of the word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.